Hi, my name is Chef Cipriano, and today we're going to be making Chef Merito carne asada French fries. So these are a home version of our Dodger fries that we use our Chef Merito seasoning with. We want to soak these for a good 30 minutes because we want to retain some of that moisture inside while you're frying them or air fry them. We're going to strain them, and you're going to want to pat these dry because if you put these in heat, it'll burn you. I like to add all the greens and the onions, all the veggies, so that it gives a little more flavor as it cooks. And sometimes, why not add a little more of your favorite seasoning, just to top it off. Give it a little more flavor, why not? We're gonna add our carne asada, our tomatoes, our onions, and last, our jalapenos to give it a little heat. And top it off with a little sour cream.